Just 4 square meters and 6 adult men are living here. Look how small it is, and you can imagine how smelly is here. And yeah, all this pleasure costs me $30 per night. It's absolutely insane, guys. In contrast to China, it's absolutely crazy, because in China, for 3 times small amount, you can see. This is $30 accommodation in Hong Kong. It's so insane, guys, but it's really Hong Kong. Let's go, I'll show you a room tour. So now you can see I'm here, and here's less than 2 meters. This is actually my bed, and my legs are here when I'm sleeping because it's too short for me. It's just kind of 170 centimeters at all. And yeah, here you can see here is another sleeping place. And yeah, here is no for now, but maybe today in the evening it will come. Yeah, and amazing window, very modern AC. Yeah, it's good that we have window, but you know, anyway, at night is so noisy because the noise from this AC is just terrible. And yeah, windows are shitty. That's why all the noise from outside is coming to the room. And you can imagine when 6 men staying in this small space, how, you know, someone's snoring, someone's farting, I don't know, just, you know, absolutely insane. And yeah, here's kind of 6 lockers. This is my locker. Yeah, it's not that bad actually. That 6 lockers is already now good. And yeah, of course, in this kind of accommodation, you have pay for towel, you have pay for plug, you have pay for everything. Zero service, and yeah, welcome to Hong Kong. Now I'm gonna to show you the lobby, and actually, lobby is good. When I was booking it in the internet, I was looking at the lobby. Oh yeah, it's comfortable, and I'm gonna stay there. But yeah, just the lobby is pretty nice, true. But every night I don't want to go to sleep, and yeah, so for now already staying here for 3 nights, and 1 night more left, and then I will come to China, and I will stay for amazing accommodation for the price 3 times cheaper than here. And yeah, so guys, so this is my bed. You see color is here, is real color. This is not, you know, my bed camera. This is real color. It's kinda yellow green, something like someone vomit to this room, by this room, you know. Just this is not interior. This is a really just kids poop. I don't know how to say it else. Yeah, so yeah, this is a socket, and this socket you can see here is special for UK or UAE plug. Yeah, if you have no correct plug, you need to pay for plug. Yeah, it's Hong Kong. And yeah, look at this interior of my bed. I'm sleeping here. Actually, you know, I have that storage place. I'm putting my bag there, and it's not so bad. Just I really cannot imagine how guys living there on the bottom, on the first bed, and the price is same. Price is absolutely same. It's $30 US per night. I wanted to share in this short video how the real, and this is honestly not worst. This is honestly not worst. For example, just exactly now, the girl who just checked in, she's talking to her parents and telling about, wow, this hostel is amazing compared to her previous one, where it was no water, absolutely nothing. Yeah, you understand what I'm talking about. This is not the worst, and this is kind of, you know, I was booked in advance, and yeah, this is really good one. Now it's fully booked, and yeah, I even cannot imagine what you can get if you didn't book in advance. Just, it's insane, because this bullshit for Hong Kong is cool. Yeah, just I don't want to live in Hong Kong. This terrible is so bad. Yeah, so write a comment what do you think about it. I think this is insane shit, and actually I don't want to be in Hong Kong anymore, but sometimes I have to come here for my document process for China. And yeah, so please write a comment what do you think about it. A quick video. It was Gordy. Love you. Bye.